It's actually having to coordinate to get maybe a dozen trucks up on a roof and the material stage out across the roof in a manner that we can really get to it with the shortest amount of steps. It's probably just as critical to stage the roof properly and get these trucks onto the site and off the site efficiently as it is to coordinate the guys. And a project like this, there's many steps. It's a very dynamic project. It's got a layer that's mechanically attached, so that's got to be thrown out, screws placed, plates placed. Right behind that, you've got a guy coming with a machine, a fickle glue machine, and that takes time to set up before boards can then be placed on that. Those boards have got to be weighted down. Once those boards are weighted down for the glue to dry, all the gaps have to be phoned. After the gaps are phoned, we can start gluing sheets, and all this happens in progress systematically. So there's a group of guys setting screws and plates, another group of guys are coming behind them setting, screwing them, another guy's coming behind them putting boards, guys behind them with buckets, guys behind them with sheets, and it all moves, just marches across the roof with a synergy. And if you can't achieve that, you just won't make a dime on these jobs.